Okay, today I wanted to show you how to fix an misproperly cropped image when you're swapping out images for these documents. I am finding that the reason you were running into issues with this one is because it is having issues. What I would normally do is pull this all the way down and around here, like you can kind of adjust it and drag it so I get to the very far, get it all the way to that top corner, and then I would shrink it this way. But I'm having trouble getting it to shrink enough to fit in here for whatever reason. So I think the proportions are so different that it's just problematic. So there is a workaround to this. And maybe in the future, if you're uploading new images, this may be the way to do it rather than replace the images. So let's come to the desktop because this is the one that's causing the problem in mobile. And I think it's because the other one that we had in here was probably a lot taller. And so the cropping tool is just not working well with this replacement image. An easy solution to fix this is rather than replacing the images, like clicking on this and clicking on change image, I'm instead going to come over here to add, and I'm going to add that image instead. That way it has all the original proportions and it doesn't give me grief in the thing. And I think I want to say it's this one, so let's double check. So I'm going to drop this one in here. Is this the same one? I'm not good at kind of comparing. Okay, yeah, I think. No, this is not the one. Let me drop in the right one. Maybe it's this one. Oh gosh, they're so small in this. I think I can make them larger. No, that's not it. Okay, I think it's this one. All right, so I'm going to add this to the page. Let me double check, make sure this is matching all this stuff. You probably know, but I'm not as familiar with all these little details. So anyway, okay, I think this looks like the right one. Oh no, it's not, because this one says, oh no, this is the right one, I believe. If it's not, feel free to replace it. Now I'm going to delete that old one, and I'm going to just drag this one into place. So next time, if you want to just add new images, you can just delete the ones that are already there and add them, especially if they're really different proportions. This one definitely seemed to have problems. So I'm going to drop this in here. And then you can adjust the spacing here. I'm using my arrow keys to actually move it up a little bit. And then you can also make this page a little bit bigger to give it some space underneath. And now when we go into mobile, this one should be fixed. So let's go into mobile. And now you'll see this is now cropped properly. So the reason the cropping gets weird again is just when you're changing an image, which is normally how I say to do things, because it's just easier. It makes sure that, that you don't have to like reinvent the wheel. But if the proportions change dramatically, I have not run into this particular problem before, but I was having a hard time getting it to recrop. So the solution is to just drop it in as a fresh image, and then Wix knows automatically what it should be cropped at when it's new image. It's only when you're changing them from one image that has a tall proportion to an image that has a horizontal or different proportion that you'll have problems with the cropping in mobile. Typically, you can always just fix it by going into mobile and adjusting it here. But for whatever reason, this one, maybe the proportions were just so different, it struggled with that. So now this is now fixed. I'm going to bump this up so that people kind of know that that one goes with this one. A couple other notes to make of in this is if you want to adjust this, there's a few different options. You can link these images to the PDF if you want. And in mobile, you can also have them open up into a pop-up or be magnified. That just means when you click on it, it's going to show like a little like zoom in thing. I don't really necessarily like those that much. I find that people are most likely going to just zoom with their fingers and kind of spread their fingers to zoom. Oops, this is under the settings. You can decide what you'd like it to do, but if you can also have nothing happens, which is fine because that still allows them to zoom manually if they want. So I usually leave it at that unless I'm linking it to the PDF. Sometimes though, remembering to link those images to the right PDFs and stuff can be confusing. So I don't always link those images. Rather, I'm linking these. That way there's not two places to change and forget about one, you know. So I think this is everything you need. That fixes this issue. Let me know if you have more problems down the road, but if you're swapping out images and those proportions are way different, maybe just delete this image and drop in a new image by coming over here to image, or to the plus to image, and then go to my image uploads. You can select the image you want, or of course upload new images too. Let me know if this answers your question and if you have any other problems.